how to prepare your Chinese stir-fried rice. Here we have our green beans, our carrots, our baked beans. Here we have our pepper. I didn't want it to be very smooth, so in this pepper we also have ginger mixed inside of it. You can add garlic if you want, but it's just ginger. And here is onion, fish. You can use any protein of your choice, but I decided to use fish. And here's the rice, and here's our sausage and the eggs and the soy sauce that we're going to be using, and also use other seasonings. And now we are breaking. No, I'm just going to take out the yolk and then the egg whites. I've just separated the yolks, so I'm just going to pour it